Hey babes, here is a quick eyelash extension for beginners in 2025. So you can do this all by yourself at home. So I'm going to start with the tools I'll be needing for this eyelash extension. I'm using the Lanel lash glue, and I'm also going to be using a strip lashes. For the strip lashes, I'm going to be separating it into individual lashes because that way I feel it's a lot easier to fix and you can easily control it. So I'm going to take out any lash glue left over on the lashes and I'll set it aside because I want it to mimic an individual lashes. So I'm going to get a scissors and I'll separate the lashes. Like I'm going to cut one lashes, I'm going to pieces it into two. So when I'm fixing it, it will be a lot easier and I'll be able to fix it in between basically. So I'll separate it into two, more like I'm sharing one lash into two, and just to give me that exact size as an individual lash extension. So I'll just go over to my eyes and I will start fixing. So yeah, the trick is when you place the lash glue on any surface, either at the back of your hand or maybe on a flat surface, you need to wait for it to get a bit tacky. So when you pick it up with the lashes, it will be a lot easier, or it will just stick immediately. So if you noticed, I am placing the lashes individually underneath my natural lashes. I'm not going to the part where you have the pinkish, where you usually tight line. That is not where I'm going to. I am placing it to the lashes. That's my own natural lashes, because you have to do that in order for the lash to stay and to stick, because it is the natural lashes that will hold it in place. And I'm placing it one after the other. Once I place it, I'll hold it down a bit till it gets stuck to my natural lashes. Then I will let it go. And that is what I did basically on both eye, and I'm showing you guys how it looks. It's so neat. Then if you want to carry these lashes for like a week or two, this step is very necessary. You have to go back once you are done fixing with a tiny brush and that lash glue, then place it in between the lashes, more like you're lining your eyes. You place it round, so you leave it a bit to get tacky. Then you can go ahead and start pressing the lashes with your natural lashes together. This is you making it extra secured so that it doesn't pull out. When I did these lashes, I carried it for like 5 days, and it was because I was tired, so I had to take it off myself. Not like the lashes was going off, because that lash glue is actually strong. It is called bonding. It is really strong. So yeah, and that is it, guys. And I also went ahead to comb it just to separate the lashes in case they stick together, and that is it. Here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to fix your own lash extension at home. If you enjoyed it, let me know what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, and I would love to know what you think about it down in the comment section. Bye, guys.